So heavy.
Ready? Great! Prepare to be minionized! Zap him, Kevin! Wow, it worked!
Aw, they're so cute!
Okay, let's begin your training.
Have fun, Minions!
Small kids must sit back in their own seats.
This is where we test your strength, speed, and ability to not die.
Look out, Minions! Don't get fly swatted!
Avoid the ladies or be
Piece of
well done, minions. Now it's time to test your problem solving and teamwork skills.
Finally across!
Go, minions, go!
These are the best Minions ever!
Resist the banana!
Banana? Fight the urge!
This is
Hey, what are you doing in the restricted area?
Minions! We gotta get you out of here!
Almost there!
Got it!
So is now a good time to give you my present?
Honey, seriously, not the perfect time.
It's okay, except we're floating in the anti-gravity recycling room. Everyone just hold on.
I got you. Marco, here, grab my hand. Girls, what's this?
I made you a present. It's a little squashed and burnt.
It's absolutely perfect. And I made you girls a little something too. Happy anniversary!
You remember?
How could I forget the most important day of my life?
Thank you,
Well done, minions! You did it! Your new life begins right now! Ah, man, the human again! Bring in the next group!
Great job, everybody. Waiting for the ball so you make room for the next ship. So everything can exit to the left. Thank you for being here at Universal Orlando Resort.